Welcome you to JD's English Club. Daily use short English sentences. First sentence. एबे आरंभ करो. Start now. Start now. निजे को बचाओ. Save yourself. Save yourself. पुणी थरे भावो. Think again. Think again. यह को छाड़ी दियो. Skip it. Skip it. आगे को देखो. Look ahead. Look ahead. समस्त को कही दियो. Tell everybody. Tell everybody. धीरे धीरे खान्तु. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. साहसी हुआ. Be brave. Be brave. यह को बदल दियो. Replace it. Replace it. किछि खाई नियो. Eat something. Eat something. किछि कुह. Say something. Say something. यह को शेष करो. Finish it. Finish it. सफा सफा कुह. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. सावधानता सहित बाछ. Choose carefully. Choose carefully. ठीक रे व्यवहार करो बा व्यवहार ठीक करो. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. घर को चली जाओ. Go home. Go home. लिखिबा आरंभ करो. Start writing. Start writing. निज ऊपर नियंत्रण रख. Control yourself. Control yourself. बहुत देरी होई गलानी. It's too late. It's too late. जहाँ भी हो तुमको धन्यवाद. Thanks anyway. Thanks anyway. समस्त को जांच करो. Check everyone. Check everyone. मते उत्तर दियो. Answer me. Answer me. से मना कर देले. He refused. He refused. यह को ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. आगे को बढ़ू थाओ. Keep going. Keep going. कहा को भी पचारि नियो. Ask anyone. Ask anyone. समस्ते चली गले. Everybody left. Everybody left. ध्यान रे गाड़ी चलाओ. Drive carefully. Drive carefully. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care.